This is the green list. Number 1 is spoon. I'm going to use a spoon to eat my soup. Number 2 is tune. The violin seems out of tune. Someone please tighten the strings. Number 3 is roof. The squirrel climbed up on the roof to get away from the dog. Number 4 is rug. I spilt some ketchup on the rug, so now I must clean it. Number 5 is trunk. I put a blanket in the trunk to be used for cold days. Number 6 is plug. When you return the Mac cart, do not plug it in. Number 7 is stool. I sat on a stool at the lunch counter and ate a hamburger. Number 8 is clue. The detective found a clue under the bed. Number 9 is use. I will use my left hand to write my name. You'll probably use your right hand. Number 10 is duck. The duck swam on the pond.